The iOS 26 beta, an early peek at Apple's latest OS. The highly anticipated iOS 26 is almost here, and Apple enthusiasts are buzzing with excitement. But here's the catch. You don't have to wait for the official release to get a taste of it. The iOS 26 public beta is already available, offering a sneak peek at the upcoming features and improvements. However, this early access comes with a few caveats and considerations. The developer beta, a sneakier sneak peek. For those who can't wait, the developer beta was released during WWDC in June 2025. If you're an Apple developer or simply curious, you can download it right now. But be warned, this version is intended for developers to test and provide feedback, so it might not be as stable as the final release. How to get your hands on the developer beta. To download the iOS 26 developer beta, you'll need to follow a few steps. First, ensure your device is running iOS 16.5 and that you're signed in with an Apple ID enrolled in the Apple Developer Program. Then, navigate to your iPhone settings, tap on General, select Software Update, and go to Beta Updates. Here, you'll find the iOS 26 Developer Beta option. If you don't see it, head to Settings, Privacy, Security, and enable Developer Mode. The cost of joining the developer program. If you're not already a member of the Apple Developer Program, you can sign up within the app. It comes with an annual membership fee of $99, but you don't need to join to try out the developer beta. It's a great way to explore the new features and decide if the program is worth the investment. Which iPhones are iOS 26 ready? Apple has updated its list of supported devices with iOS 26. And the good news is that any iPhone 11 or newer is compatible, including the iPhone SE. However, the iPhone XR and XS have been removed from the list, so if you own one of these models, you'll need to consider upgrading to a newer device to enjoy the latest OS. A word of caution: beta testing basics. Before you dive into installing the iOS 26 public beta, it's important to keep a few things in mind. Beta software often comes with bugs and glitches, so it's best not to install it on your primary everyday iPhone. Instead, consider using a secondary device or an older iPhone that you don't rely on for daily tasks. Additionally, always back up your device and personal information before installing any new software. The beta feedback loop. Your voice matters. Apple values user feedback, and the iOS 26 public beta comes with a built-in Feedback Assistant app. This app allows you to communicate directly with Apple and share your thoughts on the new OS. If you encounter any issues or have suggestions for improvements, don't hesitate to use this channel. Your feedback plays a crucial role in shaping the final release. And this is the part most people miss. While the iOS 26 beta offers an exciting glimpse into the future of Apple's operating system, it's important to approach it with caution. Beta software is not meant for everyday use, and it's always a good idea to have a backup plan. So, are you ready to take the plunge and explore the world of iOS 26? Remember, your feedback is invaluable. So don't be shy about sharing your thoughts. What are your thoughts on beta testing? Do you think it's worth the risk, or do you prefer to wait for the official release? Share your opinions in the comments below.